Today, we've got the ultimate list of the top 10 travel essentials that'll make your next journey nothing short of epic. It doesn't matter if you're setting out to explore, relax in paradise, or conquer that next business meeting, these items are must-haves for whenever you are traveling to ensure your trip's as smooth as silk. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the first thing to make sure you have for travel: your passport or ID. It's your golden ticket to get through checkpoints at airports, cross borders, unlock new horizons, and get those unforgettable stamps on those crisp pages. Without it, well, your grand adventure might just grind to a quick halt. Next up at number 2, cash or local currency. In today's digital age, it's still a smart move. It's your lifeline in places off the grid and a high five to street vendors who don't do plastic. Number 3, your trusty phone and phone charger. It's like your superhero sidekick, just more pocket-sized. Your GPS translator and your hotline to the world. A dead phone in a foreign land? No bueno. Number 4, the universal plug adapter, your tech sidekick. It's your link to the world's power grid. It ensures your gadgets stay juiced, your camera captures every precious moment, and you stay connected, whether for work or play. Number 5, can you say safety? The first aid kit. A must-have for any journey. From those tiny nicks to more serious situations, having some basic medical gear can be a game changer. This matters especially when traveling with kids. Number 6, speaking of health, if you've got prescribed medications, pack them. Running out of essential meds while on the go can be a serious buzzkill. Number 7, on the more everyday but equally important side, toiletries. Staying fresh and comfortable is non-negotiable. Don't rely on your destination for your daily essentials. Number 8, a reusable water bottle. It's not just eco-friendly, it's a smart move for you. Staying hydrated is essential for your well-being, plus, it saves money and saves the planet from plastic waste. Number 9, snacks. Your trusty travel companions during those long journeys and layovers. They keep those hunger pangs at bay and bring a taste of home wherever you are. You wouldn't want to be stranded nowhere without some food to sustain you for a short period of time. Number 10, finally, your flight or trip itinerary. This is your travel roadmap and your insurance policy, all rolled into one. Keep it handy, and it could save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. It's okay to have it downloaded on your app, but we recommend printing it out as well. You never know when your Wi-Fi may stop working. Bonus tip just for watching. Before we conclude, here's a pro tip. In light of heightened situations in various countries worldwide, it is essential to stay safe and informed. Make sure to check travel advisories for the most recent information. Stay updated with the latest news and regulations. You can also sign up with the US government for safety updates. Safe and happy travels to you.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more travel inspiration. And lend a hand by sharing this with 5 of your friends. After all, we all deserve a well-prepared vacation. Stay tuned for more exciting travel tips and destination recommendations right here on our channel. Until next time, happy island hopping!